Oh yeah, this is gonna. Now this is gonna be fun.
Oh no. Is it okay? Is it not? Is it really?
Are we serious? The game just started. Ladies with gentle hands, I win! I was ore farming.
Oh shit! Wait! Oh fucking!
Do not die immediately.
If I could fucking jump. Leg hurts! Leg hurts!
Watch me kill you.
I have to pick them up? Are you fucking serious?
Wait, what is this? You might wanna. What is this? Into the trash compactor you go.
Don't squish me. No.
Laser beam! Wait, what's this? Carousel?
Alright. Or if I'm
You had 9 seconds on the clock to live, by the way.
I was having it, dude. I was getting it. Wait, what?
Guy, I. You missed. I. What was that supposed to do? Oh shoot! He's got the grand piano! What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
No, you're like 7 seconds back.
I got hit straight in the face by a refrigerator. Is it good? Yes, King! Oh! I can't, bro. I hit you with a table. What? And that's a full-blown car. Bro, we need to dodge his attacks. You need to get away from, like, what he's about to shoot out. He already died. Are we serious? Bro, you're buns. Why is everyone buns? You're buns. No, bro, that's all you. What are you aiming at? Bro, you're buns, gang. Can't even hit me with a cargo holder. What you finna do? Scary, 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 scary. Ooh, scary, scary. Ooh. Ah! Real spoopy, aren't you? Ooh. Ooh, ooh. I'm still alive!
Oh, scary, scary. Oh, the table hit me.
I'm all the way down here. How am I still alive? Gotta keep the weight balanced. What are you aiming for?
No.
I won! I won!
Come get crushed with me.
I bet.
Get out.
Let me go.
Oh wait, he's in! The fridge! The fridge almost killed him. Shut up! Shut up, Blink!
Oh my gosh!
Get out of here! You! Get out!
You can't shoot me.
Yeah, I'm not going to. I'm shooting this guy. Where are you running from? Where are you running from? This dude's really trying to aura farm right now.
Platform.
Oh my god!
43 seconds. Don't die. Oh,
Stop
no,
it.
you're trapped.
No,
You're
oh my
actually
God.
trapped. You can't.
Yes! Who's the best? I'm the best. I'm the best at killing my friends. Yeah, y'all are buns. Okay, bro, do not fall off immediately.
Guys, I have something to say to you.
You're gay.
I just wanted to.
I wish.
No!
He doesn't just want to talk.
I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk.
Hawk, 2 out.
6'7", he says.
Shut up.
6'7".
6'7". Can't give me. Can't give me. Can't give me. What you aiming at? Can't give me. Oh, what you aiming at? Oh, the grand piano. What you finna do about it? Rage bait, get rage bait. Rage bait. Ay,
Shoot at me
ay,
if you're gay.
ay. Oh yeah. What you finna do? What you finna do? What you finna do? You got 1 minute. You got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Bro, get off the same platform with me. You're gonna get us both killed.
You finally get off the platform.
Bro, what you finna do about it, King? What you finna do about it, bro? Your buns. Oh, not the fridge. What you finna do about it? What you finna do about it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, yes, please. Keep shooting him. Yes, please. What you gonna do? Yes, please. Come on, bro. What you finna do? Yeah, who's mad? You're mad. Who's mad? You're mad. Top tier rage bait. Who's mad? You're mad. Who's mad?
Mad. You're mad. Who's mad?
I'm keeping this thing from falling, bro. Bro, look at what I'm currently standing on, bro. It's on its last life. Oh no.
Yo, why are you targeting him, bro? Try getting me.
Rage bait. Rage bait.
I think I might want to head over here.
Yeah, what you finna do about it, y'all? You're buns. Haha.
I can still rage bait.
Bro had to take off
Now I
his
can just
mask.
aura farm.
I can still rage bait. Rage bait.
What is it spraying out? Nah, you gotta do it like this, bro. You gotta do it like this. Rage bait, rage bait. Oh, rage bait.
Oh shit, I thought it was you up there. I thought you were the one shooting. Oh,
Nah.
no. It's filling the smoke. It's getting really cloudy. We can't see where he's gonna aim, bro. That's what's happening.
Shoot!
We're not gonna be able to see where he's aiming.
Wait, can he see? Can you see up there?
Yeah, I can.
Or dead.
You
We're
can
so
see
dead.
everything.
Oh,
Oh,
Rage bait, rage bait, rage bait.
we can't see where he is.
Not the fridge.
Okay.
Oh, the table. No, the table. Ow! Oh my god, he's so cloudy.
I know.
This is probably my favorite mode so far. This is my favorite mode. No, no! Don't die.
No, no, wait. I didn't die. He's not gonna get me. He sucks.
Let me go up there. Hold on, let me come up there and rage bait him. No, I killed myself!
Oh god.
Oh!
Potato blind at my fucking direction.
Ah!